Hello friends, let us now learn the genes associated with pituitary adenoma. What are the genes associated with pituitary adenoma? In pituitary adenoma, if you see, we have, if it is corticotroph adenoma. Corticotroph adenoma is associated with CDKN1B and USP6. Then somatotroph adenoma is associated with PRKAR1A and GNAS, whereas lactotroph adenoma is associated with PRKAR1A with AIP. Even AIP is also seen in somatotroph adenoma also. Then we have pituitary carcinoma is associated with HRAS. We have pituitary blastoma which is associated with Dicer 1. Okay. Then we also have, right, among all these, if you see, among all these, if you see the USP6, okay, I'll write it here better. USP6, GNAS, GNAS and HRAS. So all these are somatic activating mutations. These are somatic activating mutations. Then if you see rest all are germline mutations. There is, okay, now what about the pituitary adenoma histopathology? Pituitary adenoma histology, you will see one important thing which you see here is loss of reticulin framework. Okay, so if you see, I will just draw a picture. So here, this is the reticular framework of adenomatous pituitary normally. This is normally. In hyperplasia, it looks something like this in hyperplasia. Okay, in adenoma, the whole pituitary framework that should be present is lost. All these are actually cells. The cells here are present only at the margins, even here at the margins. Okay, here they are present but they are minute. Here they are present inside like this. So what is happening here? This is for normal, this is hyperplasia, this is adenoma. In adenoma, you are seeing loss of pituitary framework. Okay. Next, one important thing about the ACTH adenoma. ACTH adenoma contains something called as Crook-Hyaline change. What do you see in Crook-Hyaline change? In Crook-Hyaline change, this is the cell. This is one more cell. This is one more. In the middle, you will see this hyaline material which is deposited. So this is called as Crook-Hyaline change. This is positive for cytokeratin 1. So if you do a cytokeratin staining to these cells, it looks something like this. Okay, so these are cytokeratin positive. These are Crook-Hyaline change which you can see in ACTH adenoma. One more important thing is, if you see the prolactinoma and somatostatinoma. These prolactinoma and somatostatinoma will show psammoma bodies. Okay, so this is about the ACTH adenoma. Thank you for watching.